After you get your roof section off, you should be left with two bits sticking up here. You're going to fold them down. Then later on we'll weld these together and tidy this section up. If you're going to have your air flaps working, this section here will have to be completely flat and removed, so you'll have to remove that section anyway. But if you don't, that's a nice neat way of finishing it off. The next cut, you'll see this part here, look down. Okay, level with that, you're going to cut the panel straight down there. So we're going to remove this whole back section now, so we can get inside to the wheel arch. I'll show you that after we've done it in a sec.